force of gravity is the downward pull the Earth exerts on everything as it moves towards its center. Flying is not physically possible for humans. We are unable to generate enough lift to defy gravity. Different technologies are therefore currently emerging in order to achieve this goal. You too can fly. Isn't this interesting? So, before you fly, let me welcome you to Incredible Tech. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, enable the bell icon for more tech-related videos. Volocopter taxis. Whether in Europe, America, or Asia, taxis are standard in almost every major metropolis. For many people, getting from one place to another is crucial, so anything that makes it possible, or even simpler, is essential. Even still, not much has changed about taxis since they first appeared on the scene many years ago. While ride-sharing services are becoming more popular, this device might be for you if you prefer to ride in a modern, high-tech cab. The Volocopter is the first aerial taxi in history. This flying machine has 2 seats and 18 rotors, and it can take off vertically and travel anywhere you want. Although, you might expect a helicopter taxi to be as loud as a dozen football fans. But each Volocopter is precisely engineered to be as silent as possible. In reality, they barely make any more noise than a small helicopter. Aside from excellent safety features, the Volocopter also uses renewable energy and microprocessors to offer stability and control. Although it might seem like something from a science fiction novel, this fantastic flying contraption is being used in real cities. Volocopter has already received permission to fly from a number of places, including Hamburg, Helsinki, Singapore, and Dubai. The Volocopter's creators have a crazy idea. They want to use drones and air taxis to enable all urban transit. 2. BMW electric wingsuit. BMW produces some of the best vehicles in the world, and now it has introduced an electric wingsuit that has surpassed everyone's expectations. Austrian base jumper Peter Salzman had the original idea, but BMW was the one who made it a reality. On its initial flight, the electric suit attracted attention and reached a high speed of 186 miles per hour or 300 kilometers per hour while operating for 5 minutes. The unusual underbelly mountable flying suit relies entirely on electricity to propel itself into the air. The construction's use of carbon composites helps increase overall efficiency while reducing the weight to just 12 kilograms. The flying e-suit was also featured at BMW's #NextGen2020 event, which showcased how future mobility will look. 3. Jetman. Hoverboarding in the air sounds thrilling, but this next flying machine is far more exciting. With this, you may soar through the air like a bird. Although giving humans wings is not conceivable, this is probably the next greatest thing. The Jetman Dubai initiative creates authentic flying suits that enable people to fly, not merely hover or glide. The flight suit is jet-propelled, which means that it produces propulsion through solid fuels. This cutting-edge technical marvel is akin to real-life Iron Man outfit regarding innovation and impact. However, it would be best if you waited before attempting to put one of these suits on, because only a small number of people worldwide are authorized to fly with the carbon fiber wingsuit. This is because appropriate control of the potent propulsion technology demands substantial training and experience. When you consider Jetman's ability to travel nearly 150 miles per hour, it's easy to see why. That demonstrates why the jet is in Jetman compared to a jet plane. Unfortunately, Jetman has lost some people. One of the 2 most experienced Jetman pilots was killed while operating it. 4. The RC Flying Man by Manny Quinn. Even though Manny Quinn's RC Flying Man isn't a hoverboard or a proper jetpack, it works well for its intended purpose. The 2 electrical propellers attached to the 2 shoulders of the remote-controlled Flying Man enable it to take off from the ground and contribute to its speed and agility. Despite having lousy aerodynamics, the dummy man attached to the flying device does not impede its speed. Therefore, given that its much lighter variant has previously shown its value, it wouldn't be shocking to witness a real man using the exact mechanism to fly through the air. Due to its excellent maneuverability and usefulness, the RC Flying Man can be used for applications where drones are already used. In addition, a beefier version of the Flying Man may one day be used to enable human flight. 5. Jetsuit by Gravity Industries. This bizarre flying suit is nothing short of a scientific marvel, as a person's forearm mounted hand propellers only propel it. The jetsuit was created by a former British Royal Marine who continually improves its design and functionality to make it more useful. It combines small handheld jet engines with a bigger engine to strap to the back. The mini-jet engines produce a combined 1,050 horsepower, which is more than enough to render you weightless. No matter how hard you push those little engines, the 5-gallon fuel reservoir will last for a 3-minute flight. The Royal Navy of Great Britain is also currently testing the jet suit. 6. Drone flight. Sometimes you desire the convenience of flying in the air but don't have the training or funds to become a pilot or buy expensive equipment. Not to mention, some gadgets aren't even available for purchase because of security or scalability limitations. You won't believe how well one do-it-yourself inventor managed to build his handmade flying aircraft without all the hassle. 50 drone motors were employed in the DIY flying contraption and were connected to a harness. The entire flying apparatus was then completed by attaching that harness to a parachute. Although this homemade flying device may fly and function for a short period of time, the clamor of 50 drone motors is sure to ruin any enjoyment in the air. 7. The Ziva Flying Car. Nowadays, everyone has a car of their own. However, not all cars are created equal. Some automobiles are extremely dilapidated or old, while others are top of the line and appear brand new. But whichever vehicle you want to purchase, you will have no chance to compare it to the following car in our list. The Ziva Flying Car is just what it says on the tin, a vehicle that can soar through the air and move about as if gravity didn't exist at all. How does this fantastic flying machine function? Although the Ziva is referred to as an automobile, it would be more realistic to compare its design to that of an omnidirectional helicopter. When the Ziva is ready to fly towards its destination, it can take off at high speed using its propulsion systems and propellers to help it orient itself while hovering. The Ziva can reach speeds of 160 miles per hour. Thanks to these propulsion systems, which are also rather powerful, the Ziva takes pride in being the answer to the issues with contemporary transportation and promises to do away with the necessity of parking and traffic jams in the far future. 8. Copter Pack. There is much to enjoy about the straightforward design of a bag you can sling over your shoulder to lighten your weight, whether for school, hiking, or just as an easy way to carry extra items with you. However, an Australian company came up with the brilliant idea of transforming the ordinary backpack into a super-powered flying machine. The Copter Pack is propelled by 2 motors connected to a complicated wiring device on the person's back. Both hands can operate the device's controls from there, allowing the Copter Pack to move in any direction, including up and down. The Copter Pack operates like a mini helicopter and is powered by batteries. Due to its huge fan blades, the Copter Pack may appear hefty from a distance, but its carbon fiber honeycomb construction makes it surprisingly light. 9. Paravello. The X1 Paravello is a straightforward creation that combines a regular bicycle with a powerful propeller and a parasail for gliding. Like everyone else, you can ride your bike, but if you want to fly, you must pick up speed and use the fan to lift off. After that, you won't have to return to the ground for 3 hours of skydiving. The X1 Paravello is the best because it can be used camping and is made for simple storage. The X1 Paravello dates back to 2013 when 2 aviation enthusiasts unveiled their design of a flying bicycle to the public. However, this invention has shown that anyone may fly independently, provided that they are prepared to put in the necessary time and effort to take a small amount of danger. But instead of building your flight machines, you might be better off sticking to airplanes. Anyway, flying is a dream for many. Are you going to try anything mentioned in this video? If so, let us know in the comment section below. See you all soon.